Pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is a highly contagious respiratory infection caused by Bordetella pertussis bacteria. In Australia, outbreaks of pertussis typically occur every 3 to 4 years. The last major outbreak was prolonged, starting in 2008 and going through until 2012. Pertussis is an ongoing issue, however, and our data shows there were 1,860 cases of pertussis reported in 2015. Concern about the risk of whooping cough and the threat it presents to pregnant women and unborn babies is a priority for Queensland Health. Whooping cough can be a very serious and life-threatening disease, especially for young children who can't be fully vaccinated against it until they are 6 months old. Most hospitalisations and deaths occur in infants under this age. In Queensland, there have been more than 23,000 notifications of pertussis in children and adults over the past 5 years, and tragically, 6 Queensland babies have died from pertussis. The Queensland Department of Health provides the whooping cough vaccine free for women in the 3rd trimester of each pregnancy to protect them and their newborn baby against whooping cough. The vaccine is a combined diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis vaccine and can be ordered from the Queensland Health immunisation program through the usual processes. Some people may have concerns about the safety of administering DTPA vaccine to pregnant women. Use in pregnancy is not contraindicated, and DTPA vaccine is safe and well tolerated in pregnant women. The Australian Immunisation Handbook strongly recommends vaccination in the 3rd trimester, preferably between 28 to 32 weeks, to provide maximum protection to infants. It is recommended for every pregnancy, including those which are closely spaced. Discussions at the Pharmaceutical Benefits Advisory Committee recommended the inclusion of DTPA on the National Immunisation Program, which is under consideration by the Commonwealth Department of Health. Research carried out for the Queensland Department of Health found pregnant women place great importance on advice from their GP, obstetrician or other health professional in relation to vaccinations during pregnancy, particularly vaccination against whooping cough. The research also showed that not enough women know they can access the funded vaccine and the importance of being immunised. I urge all health professionals to advise pregnant women on the etiology of whooping cough and the significance of the disease in infants, on the benefits of the vaccination in pregnancy, that the vaccine is safe to have during pregnancy, and to take advantage of the free vaccine by scheduling a vaccination appointment to get the vaccine at 28 weeks of pregnancy. Vaccination for household members and other carers of infants is also encouraged, however is not funded in the Queensland Health immunisation program. Vaccination of pregnant women is the most effective method of protecting infants against whooping cough. The flu vaccination is also important for pregnant women. As flu vaccinations can be given at any time during pregnancy, women need not wait until 28 weeks to have it. They should be advised to have it as early in their pregnancy as possible, depending on the timing of the flu season. Where flu vaccination has not occurred early in pregnancy, vaccinations for whooping cough and flu can be given at the same time. Let's work together to improve the coverage of pertussis and influenza vaccination in pregnant women. Thank you.